Good morning, Kipsters. Today is Wednesday, October 21st. We are in day 41, and today you're going to read Fever chapter 24. Your Drew now asks, at the end of chapter 23, Maddie decides to go with Eliza to help people sick with the yellow fever. What kinds of things do you think she'll see? What kinds of things do you think she'll have to do? So make some predictions about what you think will happen when Maddie goes with Eliza from house to house helping people who are sick. We are now in the intro to the lesson, so I want to go through a couple of pictures that are some of the important points of what you're going to see. First is that Maddie is going to go with Eliza to a number of houses to help people sick with a fever. We're going to see what she experiences there. She's also going to visit this place called an apothecary. Now, apothecaries don't really exist as much anymore, but they used to be like the pharmacy where you would go to get medicine, a lot of natural cures, things like that. So Eliza's going to talk about going into that apothecary as well. Maddie and Eliza are going to keep going to houses of people who are sick, and they're going to go into the house of somebody whose husband had died a little bit earlier in the year and who is sick, as well as her two children are sick. That person, her house is going to be a mess because her husband had died earlier the last week. And he had lost his mind when he died. So he went crazy, started breaking things, was not in his right mind. Eliza and Maddie are going to return home at the end, and they're going to find that some people at their house are sick. And at the very end of the story, or the very end of the chapter, Maddie is going to realize that the best place for them to be is at the coffee shop. All right, now you're ready to continue to read on your own. Remember that you have audio if you would like to use it. Don't forget to answer the questions in the side, mark up your text, and check your gist.